Hi there. Welcome to Craft with Kathie. I have a fun little project for you tonight. It actually is part 2 of lemon squeezy. And if you're not familiar with lemon squeezy, this is the transfer, 2 pieces. And this is what I did one day last week. So it's a really cute design. And I'm going to do the other side of it. But before I jump on into that, let me tell you a little bit what's going on. This ends tomorrow, so if you're interested, don't hesitate. We have 2 specials going on. The first is a free Chalk Basics toolkit. This is the bag, the basic bag. It is, let's see what size it is. It's 8.5 inches wide or long, about 4 inches tall, and let's see, about 2.5 inches wide. It fits a lot in here. So this is the basic bag. I've had this one probably for at least 3 years. It's zippered, it's nice, it's roomy, holds lots of goodies. Along with that, you get a free squeegee, a mini squeegee, a detail tool. Oops. I broke my end. Don't use it to pry things open like I did. It's not intended for that. It's silicone or a little thin piece of plastic. A multi-tool. And a package of stir sticks. So you get the stir sticks, the detail tool, the multi-tool, a mini squeegee, and the basic bag for free. It's a $35 value, and you get it for free with a $75 purchase or more. So that's a really good deal. That's one thing that's going on. The other thing that's going on is we are having Chalk's giving away 20 $200 shopping sprees, and all you have to do is make an order of any size to be eligible for that shopping spree. And the more times you enter, of course, you increase your odds of winning, but it's 20 $200 shopping sprees. Isn't that cool and wonderful? So I just wanted to let you know about that. And let's hop right in here and get moving on this project. Now this is in the white frame drop-in box. And if you remember, it has these little like cardboard inserts that are actually chalk suede paper on top of like a cardboard. It's a hard surface, dual side. So you can have one design on one side and something else on the other. So I'm going to do the reverse tonight. Isn't that cool? And I'm going to be keeping in similar vein for color-wise. So let me get this out of the package. I did the lemon squeezy already, or the easy peasy lemon squeezy, as you can see. And now I'm going to do the other side. I'm coming at you from the suburbs west of Chicago. Drop me a line and let me know where you're viewing from. And it's April 29th. Can you believe it's the end of April? If you loved April's Club Couture on this acrylic surface, you have one more day to jump in and order or sign up for Club Couture to get this exclusive design. If you want more information about Club, just comment Club below and I will send you the info. So this says Sunshine State of Mind. I think these are both very pretty, very uplifting, very cheerful, and really would go anywhere in your home. The white drop-in frame is very neutral and can be used just about anywhere. And if you don't like it in white, you could paint it. You could paint it with paint or with our chalk paste, whatever you really want to do. I like using our chalk paste to paint because then things always match. Okay, and I'm going to work fairly quick on this because this is chalk suede paper basically that I'm putting it on. So I have to be a little expedient with it, as opposed to if I was doing it on chalkboard. I wouldn't have to hurry so much, but being that it's going to be on paper, I don't want it to stick so snugly that it's hard to pick up. So, what did I do with that little squeegee? Like, I really need to open a new squeegee, right? I have so many of them laying around here, but this is all I've got handy right now. So, let me grab this out of the package. And, of course, I'm going to use our pucker for the sun. Oops. There have already been a lot of calls asking for pucker to become a permanent color. We absolutely love it. I'm not a yellow person, but I have to admit, I love this pucker. It is just absolutely beautiful. It's cheery, it's sparkly, it's shiny. It's awesome. And what better to color sun rays with, right? Oops. Grab a little bit more there. Smooth it out. Pick up the excess. Remove any lines. You get it. Just smooth it all over the silk screen, right? It's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Put the excess back into the jar. Let me quickly clean that off. And let's do paste and peel. I'm going to peel this up just for a moment so I don't have the paste drying in my silk screen. And then I'll gently set it down and do the rest of it. I just need something to clean my fingers here. Isn't it cool to make something in less than an hour? Isn't that just absolutely fun and amazing and cool? Now, the other color, I was thinking, what goes better with sunshine than the sky, right? So I pulled up our Duchess, a color of the month from a while back, and I thought this would be nice for a sky kind of look. So that's what I'm doing here for my wording. This project's going to have a lot of shimmer and shine. I mentioned Club Couture a little earlier. If you're not familiar with it, it's a monthly subscription package. It costs $21.99 per month. We pay the shipping, and you get an exclusive 8.5 by 11 inch transfer, 3 individual paste packets, full instructions, and an hour of creative bliss. Smoothing it out, picking up the excess, smoothing out any of my lines. A little bit of paste goes a long way here. This is a bluish, kind of almost like a purplish, kind of like a royal color if you want to think of it like that. I think that's why they called it Duchess. Make sure I've got everything covered. Back in the jar. Okay, peel and reveal time, right? How simple, quick, and easy was this? Now this will take 5 to 8 minutes to dry. It is kind of like our shimmers. It'll take a little bit longer than our regular chalk paste. Our chalk paste goes on liquid, but dries to a hard finish. I do recommend dry dusting things. Don't wash them, just dry dust them, because on some surfaces you can liquefy, or basically liquefy the chalk paste by spritzing it with water and remove it, and then use the surface again. Not in our chalk suede. If you make a little mistake on our chalk suede, you can pretty much wipe it off. if you catch it quick, which is kind of cool about the chalk suede. And of course it comes off on chalkboard and dry erase board and metal and mirror. Wood, you might get a little bit of staining because of the pigment of the paste. But how sweet is this? And look at that shine. Woo, woo. I'm going to slip it back into its little frame. I don't want to smudge it when I'm inserting it, so I'm just going to let this slide in. Doesn't it look nice in this frame? Such a beautiful project. 2 signs in one. And tell me, do you think it needs an embellishment or no? What do you think? Some crazy fringe to brighten it up. Does it need to be any brighter? I don't want to smudge. If you'd like the supply list for this project, just comment lemon squeezy and I'll send you the link. This chalk suede drop-in box frame also comes with 3 packs of inserts, so you can buy refills for around $5 for 3. And there's something really, really simple here. I was thinking of a messy bow, but actually, I don't even want to do a messy bow with it because I don't want to take it away from the actual sign that much. I think just a little bit of the fringe is like a ribbon around it with just a tide is going to be fine. Can't see what I'm doing here. There we go. I think that'll work. Oh, I didn't mean to get a great big ball there, but actually that's not bad. Except that one hanging looks a little funny. Maybe we tuck that in the back a little bit. And just clip this off. Obviously, it doesn't have to have it. You can take it off. I think it's fine with it, fine without it. I think it stands on its own without it, though, seriously. I don't know, sometimes I don't like things a little too fussy. This might be a little bit too fussy for my taste. I don't know. Let me know what you think about it. Would you go with the fringe? Boy, I love that pucker. Look at this. It is absolutely beautiful. Like I said, our paste goes on wet, but dries to a hard finish. Dry dust, you don't want to spritz it with Windex or anything to clean it because you don't want to reactivate that paste and then cause it to smear if you rub on it. But this is so cool, so easy. And this, I just think, sunshine state of mind. Doesn't that just make you feel wonderful? Thank you so much for watching. I surely do appreciate it. Don't forget to take advantage of the Basics bag, free. $35 worth of supplies free with a $75 order. And hop on in there and place your order by tomorrow night so that you get entered into that drawing for the $2,200 shopping sprees. I'll put the link to the website in the first comment here. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to just comment, direct message me, whatever works for you. I'm here to answer any questions that you might have or help you in any way. If there's ever a project that you're stumbling on or questioning or not quite sure what to do, drop me a line. I'm happy to help you. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. I surely appreciate it. You have a wonderful evening. See you soon.